Etsy news. Etsy updates true main Etsy trends 2026. Meet guys. Color of the year 2026 color of the year is platinum blue. It's so much important use for Etsy items. Use in title, description, certain text on Etsy. Make your listing visible on Etsy due to main color of the year. It's fashion. It's so much important. And for example, a blue coupe has searched more than 3 times. It's so much important. And next, texture of the year 2026 is washed linen. Washed linen is so much important. It's so much popular many years. And this year is texture of this year. Use this in your items, title, description, certain text. And example, searches for linen clothing skyrocketing over 1200%. It's so much important. It's Diana news. It's so much important use. Use this on Etsy. Make your listings much more visible on Etsy and sell with Etsy Trends 2020. Guys, if you need much more traffic to your Etsy shop, use 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers. Sell now and sell 60% off for set. Guys, if you need help, write your questions under this video. Bye, see you in the next video.